Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Sika brick and patio cleaner. Read the label and wear gloves and eye protection immediately, then clear the area of loose debris. Sweep and rinse the surface to remove dust and organic matter. Dilute the cleaner as recommended and apply with a pump sprayer or brush. Work in sections and avoid runoff into plants. Rinse thoroughly and allow the surface to dry before assessing results. Start by moistening the area lightly to prevent rapid absorption, then apply the cleaner uniformly using a sprayer or brush. Keep the surface wet with the product for the label's suggested dwell time, and scrub stubborn spots with a stiff brush. Rinse each section thoroughly with a hose or pressure washer at a safe distance. Work methodically across the patio to ensure consistent cleaning and avoid overlapping wet and dry edges. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation. These leak-proof meal prep containers make cleanup and transport easier after a messy patio project, and they fit neatly in a work van or cooler. They seal tightly so soups and marinades stay put, perfect for packed lunches while you tackle outdoor jobs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After cleaning, rinse the entire area well to remove residue and neutralize the surface, taking care to protect plants and drains. Let the patio dry completely before applying sealers, coatings, or returning outdoor furniture. Inspect for missed spots and repeat treatment if needed. Store leftover products securely and follow local disposal rules for wash water. Regular maintenance helps preserve brick and stone and extends the life of your patio finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.